Hey, I'm Mike with the Sanders Kitchen. No special lights, no special audio. Pam's filming off the iPhone. So, what's going on? What's going on? Let me tell you what's going on. That's not a cooking utensil. This is a hammer. And we are going to bust up this entire countertop. The tiles are coming off. And all of this is going to be flat. We're going to have granite here. This whole top is going to be granite. And this is the granite that we're using. And this is going to be the backsplash. That's going to be the backsplash. And but it's my job to take it out, and I'm letting somebody else put it in. I don't mind doing part of it. But anyway, guess what? We reached 2,500 subscribers. Thank you very much. We're so happy that you guys are part of our cooking experience, our video, and we're thrilled to just be on YouTube and making it happen. We're really happy about that. So when we come back, I promise you we're going to be doing a great pork chop dinner, candied yams, you know, or maybe just a baked sweet potato, some steamed broccoli, some veggies. It's going to be really good, I promise you. But give us about a week or so to get this in, and then we'll be back. I'm real excited. This whole thing is coming out. We even have a brand new Samsung refrigerator. I'm so thrilled about it. It's the 4-door Flex, because this down here can either be a refrigerator or a freezer. That's why they call it the Flex. It is the coolest refrigerator. I love the ice maker. 2 kinds of ice, man. You got the little cubes, the bigger cubes. It stays full. I mean, so far, it's great. I mean, we are just loving the new appliance. So anyway, thank you again for tuning into the Sanders Kitchen. We love you. Keep subscribing. If you come across this video, hit the subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. That way you know when we come out with the new videos, and we will continue to do that. Love you. Have a great week. Wish me luck, and God bless you.